Hi guys, my name is Tanya and welcome back to my channel Mehtaverse. Thank you so much for giving so much love to my previous video. I am so excited to be back doing movie reviews, and right now I'm watching another Malayalam film on Netflix which released this year called Chatta Pacha. And I am watching it because I love Roshan Mathew, and Roshan Mathew is in this film. And I'm getting into the film now, like it's just started. I'm obviously going to react to the movie while watching it. That's how we do our videos. So let's see how we feel about the film, and welcome to the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm 20 minutes into the movie, and the movie is honestly interesting. It's about these three brothers who were really into wrestling as kids. Only two of them have come till now. Roshan Mathew is not there. But yeah, I mean, I love how Malayalam films have this slow-mo action with so much drama. And, like, the movie has that, of course. Not much has happened in the movie till now. But honestly, I just came to say that I love Rosamma. Her character is my favorite till now. Waiting for Roshan Mathew to come, and let's see what the story is going to be. So I am now basically 40 minutes into the movie. Not much has happened in terms of drama. Roshan Mathew has still not come, but they have decided that they want to open like this wrestling house, and they just found a place, and like they're excited to like clean it and like make it happen. And there's obviously another group of gang which is also aiming to do the same thing. So that's going on, but nothing has happened in the movie yet. But that's just a Malayalam thing. We all know that actual Malayalam stories start in the second half. So I'm 40 minutes into it. Now let's see how the remaining film is. So basically, is Vetri Roshan Mathew? Because if that's Roshan Mathew, then I'm on that part when they're going to meet Vetri. And I'm going to be so excited if it's Roshan Mathew, because I love Roshan Mathew so much. Okay, so there was a whole 15-minute fight sequence, and I'm not someone who likes fight movies and all of that. But it was entertaining, it was well made, the characters were nice, the graphics were nice, the music was nice, the action was nice, everything was nice. It's just not my vibe, but extremely entertaining for sure. However, Vetri's come, and Roshan Mathew is Vetri. Roshan Mathew's entry just happened, and throughout the video I've said how much I love Roshan Mathew. So I think that the real movie is going to pick up now, and let's see what happens now, because I think like the whole drama, family and everything is going to start now. So the pace of the film is going to pick up, the movie is going to change, and yeah, let's see what we see now. Dude, Roshan Mathew's fighting sequence was so good, and the music that they used in the background, extremely unexpected. First of all is Roshan Mathew. I'm seeing him fight. But okay, if I really talk about the film doesn't have much to offer. Like, it's a family drama about three brothers. I won't give any spoilers, but it's a relation between them. Two brothers are trying to hide something from Roshan Mathew and keeping him under the rock about something and all of that. But it's an entertaining film, but I have seen better family dramas, and only 45 minutes is left, so I don't know where this is heading. But yeah, I mean, it's a one-time watch kind of a film. So that whole Roshan Mathew twist was pretty interesting. I like that. But I mean, the movie is going to end now. I have 20 minutes left, and there's going to be a fight in the end. I know what's going to happen. It's pretty predictable, and I know that the last fighting sequence is going to be like 10 minutes long and whatever. But honestly, the movie, it's not something I haven't seen before. It's not something that I'm excited to watch. Most of the time I'm distracted because it doesn't have much to offer. However, yeah. I finally finished watching the movie. First of all, the movie is really long, nothing new, little exhausting towards the end. Overhyped in reviews. I didn't like it that much. It's entertaining, well made, good actors, good budget, good graphics, good action. All it's entertaining. That's it. But I would not watch this movie again. And if someone tells me, "Oh my God, can you recommend me a Malayalam film?" this would not be in the list. So yeah. Let me know what you thought about the movie in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching my reaction while watching the film.